What's going on, everybody? Today I just want to show you a quick tip that will let you easily test the spark plug on any engine. This will work for your car, boat, lawnmower, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, doesn't matter. All you need to do is hook up a simple alligator clamp from the spark plug to ground on the engine. You can just lay the plug on ground, but at times that can be difficult because it will shift when you try to crank the engine, or you won't be able to see the spark just because of where you have to put it. This simple trick will allow you to position the plug so where you can see it. That way you can test your spark and then move on to the next step. Well, that's all I've got for this quick tip today, but be sure to subscribe to see more content like this in the future. What do you think about this trick? Leave me a comment, let me know, and be sure to hit that like button.